In today's video, I'm going to teach you what happens when you delete your Behance account and guide you through the process step by step. Deleting your Behance account is a significant decision, and it's crucial to understand the implications fully. When you choose to delete your account, it's important to be aware that this action is permanent. All your profile information, projects, comments, messages, everything associated with your account is removed from Behance permanently. Once you hit that delete button, there's no going back, and there's no way to recover your data. However, if you also use Adobe Portfolio at portfolioadobe.com, keep in mind that deleting your Behance account will not automatically affect your portfolio site. These two accounts are managed separately, which means you'll need to take additional steps if you wish to remove your portfolio site as well. Additionally, one aspect that often causes confusion is the status of your subscriptions. If you have any active paid Adobe subscriptions, deleting your Behance account does not automatically cancel them. These subscriptions are linked to your Adobe account and remain active unless you manage or cancel them directly through your Adobe account at account.adobe.com. So, it's vital to ensure you're taking the necessary actions on your Adobe account if you're planning any changes related to your subscriptions. Now, let's go through the steps to delete your Behance account. First, you'll need to log into your Behance account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically located in the drop-down menu, usually accessible by clicking on your profile picture or icon at the top corner of the page. Then, scroll down through the options and you'll find the Delete Account tab, which is typically located towards the bottom of that page. After clicking on the Delete Account option, you'll be prompted to enter your username. At this point, you need to check the box indicating that you agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read these terms carefully if you're unfamiliar with them, as understanding them is crucial. Sometimes, depending on the layout and security settings, you may also be required to enter your password to finalize the deletion. Once you've confirmed your selection, the deletion is permanent. Your account and all its associated content are immediately removed from public view. Take a moment to review everything before confirming, as there's no way to undo this action once it's processed. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully deleted your Behance account. Whether you're moving on to new opportunities or simply taking a break, it's important to handle your digital spaces thoughtfully. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.